Hello and welcome back to Abby's Home Kitchen. Today I'm making some barbecue sirloin steak. But if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button and enjoy. So I already have my cut sirloin steak, and I'm just adding my chili pepper, adding some ginger powder, some cooking oil, some barbecue sauce, and some lime juice. So I'm just going to put all this together and mix it properly. In place of lime, if you do not have lime, you can also use lemon. So once I mix all this together, I'm just going to let it sit for up to 2 hours and let it marinate while I add it to my steak and add some onions. You can add pepper, vegetables that you like. So I'm just going to grill this on my outdoor grill, and as you can see how beautiful and lovely it looks. And so you can pair this with any of your favorite dishes, and I'm very sure that you would enjoy it. So I'm also adding some herbs to it. So here I used fresh parsley. I love fresh parsley a lot. And I do hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please do not forget to click the like button, share your comments, remember to share my videos, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I'll see you soon.